What's up, everybody? Can y'all see? Probably not. I got a chest mount on. I have not found my mother deal yet. I'm gonna get us a piece of shred here if I can get it out. I'll figure out something different. I got an older one in the storage unit, and that's where we're heading. We gotta do a scrap pickup, so. Got some aluminum and a piece of shred. We didn't strike out today. I think that's it. There's a chunk of steel. Yeah, we'll take it. There's a chair in there. Y'all can't see. Can y'all see? I'm having to tiptoe. Alright. Let's go. I got some scrap pickups we gotta do. And then we'll try to find some more scrap out in the wild. I think it's all this stuff. Yeah, ask the yard sale man. If I can get to him. All right. Oh, it's a good day for it. Huh? They're catching a lot of catfish right now. Yeah, it's that time of the year. Well, I used to go snagging down there at the river every year, and since they shut all that off, I haven't. I don't know what this is. Got some copper though. Only way I know how to do it. Let's see if it pulls it for fun. Ah, it made it. Love it. Saves from picking it up, huh? Oh. I don't know what this thing is. That'll work for now. That's all the rest of this junk. Alright, we're back out into the wilds. First piece of scrap. And we'll grab it just because we hadn't got to go scrapping in a while. This car go by. So find some more out in the wilds in the dumpsters. I hadn't hit a dumpster since before bulk. That's where we're heading, is the dumpster lands. Alright, first dumpster I get to check in a while. Hopefully y'all can see good and all that. It's a nothing. Oh man, don't do this to me today, scrap world. Is it gonna be a flop? Is it gonna be a flop? Well, I see one of them snake plants, I believe. Unless the leaves off of it. So, see one mob down there. And this lightweight thing. Yeah. Maybe worth a penny. Let's go. Oh yeah, today is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Ooh, a bag of carrots. They're in a good shape. Those are going to the old guinea pigs. I think some of them things will eat them. Let's stick with them too. That one's on a bag of chicken. No. And no. They're all rotted on the ends. I don't want to feed my guinea pigs rotted carrots. They better than that. I don't know why I grabbed that. Oh, we got a crock pot. Woo! We'll clean up a little bit here. This is hands on the hip lady dumpster. I think this is her coming down here to yell at me. Nope. That's a nice lady. Alright. Let's go. We got us a crock pot. Why are you grabbing plastic office chairs? Because my scrapyard lets me dump them off. The bottom's metal, so it's metal enough for them. DVDs in here? They are not. Check one more. And no. The big old TV, but it's just the pieces to it. Somebody scrapped it out. Cool. Womp womp. I got something with a cord on it. It's about as far as I'm going in that thing. Old DVD player. We're on the board. Squeak, squeak, door, door. Does it have a cord? Or has it been got? Been got, ain't it? Yeah, it been got. We'll take it for shred. We'll take it for shred-olas. It's back to picking up vacuum cleaners, office chairs, and can't forget this piece of bottom feeding scrap. Oh, other dumpster. Come on, Coonts. Oh, oh, oh. The old Christmas tree, at least a piece of one. Oh yeah, we are killing it. We got the office chair, we got the vacuum, we got the Christmas tree. We got our Christmas lights. Oh wait, what is that? You'll see that? Come here, Christmas lights. Hey, we got a piece of metal. There we go. Look at that. And it comes with Christmas lights was tangled up with a pool net. It's aluminum. That's cool. I like Christmas lights. I'm sure the price on that stuff went down. Everything's went down last week, except for shred at my yard. I'm sure it's coming though. Alright, well, did pretty good. That's, yeah. What is this? Oh, yeah. Oh. I don't quite think that's a... I'm gonna say it's enough. We're gonna get what we can get today. The metal's handle. The handle metal. Oh, there's a computer down there too. Got a rather large piece of metal here. I think it's a lot. Yeah, it's an old lot. Bags. Come on. There we go. That's a piece of metal. We're gonna have a good day now. Something I'll do later. Let's get this computer out of here. Been a while since I found a computer out in the wild. Oh, there's another lot down there too. It is a, oh my God, there's two of them. There's a video card. All right. Oh, easy enough. No RAM. That's okay. Oh, this will be the finds of the day. There's two of the darn things. Another computer. Holy crap. This will be the stop of the day, folks. That one's got the RAM in it, at least one piece. I should have got into this thing. Do some rearranging later. I bet you there's more in here. Well, there's one more wide at least. We'll get it out of here. Heck yeah. Okay. Oh, computers. That's just money in the bank. Scrap price is plentiful. Gold prices might even fall, but I don't see it falling too much. I don't know. There's a laptop. I see the... Oh golly, man. RAM's out of it. There's another computer. No RAM. It's alright though. Got a motherboard. That thing? Cooker, like a George Foreman or something. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. There's a TV. Got some computer cords in here. There's another computer, guys. Ooh, four sticks of RAM in that one. All right. I need to see if there's any more in there. Get this up out of the way. This is where the power of editing comes in. What is that? I may have to get that. Look at this. What is that? It's heavy. Holy crap. It's a IKEA surround stereo. Vintage. I don't think we're leaving any computers. Leaving the big old ones. There we go. Now I got some guinea pig food. Not the mushrooms, but man, they don't look half bad, do they? I mean, they're, yeah. I mean, I'd never eat all of them. I'll leave them right there on top. I'm after these hothouse cucumbers. If I can get them without making a mess. My guinea pigs are gonna be eating good. Yeah, they're all still wrapped up. I feel more safe about giving them that. There's cauliflower down there too. Guinea pig score. Yeah. Look at all the mushrooms, man. There's bugs already out. There's another case of cucumbers too. I'll take them one head of cauliflower. They don't. It's not their favorite treat. Take them one. So it don't matter. Worst case scenario, they don't like it, I'll just throw it in my compost pile. Alright, let's get these other cucumbers out for guinea pig consumption. Alright, baby, come on. Oh, no, 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 no. Easy does it. Oh, yeah, I don't see no. Yeah, that one's kind of soft. What was this one? Yeah. If they don't eat them, I'll just throw them away in my compost pile. And they'll get turned into the dirt. When I go to open the door, I'm gonna have big old huge cucumbers falling out. Oh, right. Pity about the mushrooms, but what do you do? They don't look half bad, but I don't know what's been in here. All that, so we got some guinea pig food though. Snacks, guinea pig snacks. If you're wondering how many I have at the moment, I got 6 adults, 3 babies, and those babies I have are ready to be sold. They'll be 3 weeks old tomorrow, so I can take them and sell them tomorrow to the pet shop. And then I got another female that is just about to pop. She's pretty pregnant. You didn't know I'm a guinea pig farmer as well. Can't have a cat and a dog. My little girl's highly allergic to dogs, and then my boy's allergic to cats real bad. So they're good on guinea pigs though. Stinky. All right, enough guinea pig talk. You guys want to grab a snippet of brass. Well, these clippers are about done. I have one on the other end too, Coonts. Look at there, a bigger one on the other end. Yeah. Get what we can get today. I'm just happy we got the computers. The fancy looking end on that thing. That's what he said. Right. Ooh. Yay. Metal. We're gonna have to make some room. We found the dishwasher. I can't believe it. mostly metal one anyway. Take this off. Well, that one's kind of heavy. Oh yeah, that's the motors I like. Oh, there's a big old piece of copper with it. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I like older dishwashers. The new ones, the motors kind of suck. But we'll just run a little bungee through this. Keep it from bouncing out. There we go. One more. There we go. I know. I should have stacked better. That's alright. Now that one's got all kinds of goodies on it, man. Those ones I found on bulk. Well, the ones I've processed so far had those little bitty dang motors. But they had the brass on them. Anyways, let's go find some more. We got us an umbrella. Well, there we go. Make us a little bit more. I think that one's aluminum. It's pretty light. Yep. Cool. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. There's a balloon. We didn't find one in the dumpster, but there was a balloon floating, so that counts, guys. So happy birthday if you're watching. That's your birthday. And like I said earlier, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And if mom, if you're watching, happy Mother's Day and I love you. Microwaving. Oh, it looks like they've already kind of tried to fix it or something. Up and over. It's a light one. Looks like the transformer's out of it. Might have one of those other ones in it, whatever they're called. Oh well, we'll take it. There ain't no telling what's down this trash can. This looks like a move out. Oh, hello. I like these little dudes. Vintagey. Alright, don't fall out, cucumbers. I don't want that. Nor that. I'll take that though. What else? A Casey's cooler. And this pumpkin is busted. Alright, let's take a look at this. Regular trash. Notebooks for days. Are they good? Shoot, yeah. They are good. I'll get them to my kiddos. And then they'll draw and color everywhere. And let's just take all that. I'm not telling what's down in there. It's move out stuff, but yeah, I'll take that for sure. Alright, what else we got? bathroom was the last thing moved out, if you're wondering. Alright, on we go. You guys want to dig around the electrician's trash a little bit? See if we can find anything. They've done me good in the past. A shred. Alright, let's see what we got in here. We can find anything. I'm not seeing much this go around. Oh, a little chunk. It's pretty full. I want to get in. I can't get in it really. Anything too crazy. It's all right. Can't win every time, can we? Yeah, ain't nothing. Ain't nothing today, folks. But well, hot dog. Look at here, folks. Daggone boy, I tell you what. That was a good find right there. If it's got the whole brass on it. Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I got some stuff. Well, we can take that. What's this? That's a True Brew. Just buckets, basically. Homebrew kit. I don't think I'll pass on it. Dang, an old grill. Should have brought the big truck today, huh, guys? Oh boy. If it was stacked better, it counts. If you'd stacked better. It can go on the tailgate though. Actually, that's what we can do. Put that dude on the tailgate. Strap it in there. Somebody came and got it. He graded it already. I think we can bear hug it up there. I need that to scoot forward a little bit. No, we don't need to drop the tailgate. We can do that. Now put a strap on it, bungee and all that good stuff. Alright, you don't want to watch that. Alright, I'm going to do a scrap pickup. This is the one I was supposed to do earlier. Had my I was like, well, it's on the way, so we could definitely grab it then. So I got it figured out today, though.
Here in this neighborhood where you got all those pots.
What's it? Oh, I didn't do much last week because of the rain. And my boys stayed home one day. $5. You can, that's a no-brainer there.
I mean, even if it didn't work, probably could have sold the battery on eBay for
Yeah.
$15.
Yeah. That's true. Do you do much selling on eBay? Alrighty, guys, that's it. I cut her short. It's Mother's Day. I'm gonna cook something for the wife and stuff. So we did better than I thought we would. We didn't even run the last little bit of it. So we got all them computers, scrap pickup, and that other scrap pickup, and dishwasher, and a bulky grill. But it's money. So those lights, yeah, pretty good old time. I appreciate y'all watching. You guys have a good one. I'll see y'all in the next one.